ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. Dear devotees, today let us know about the fundamental and most essential qualification to please the Supreme Lord. Our Shastra says, Manye dhanabhijanarupa tapah srutaujaha tejaha prabhava bala paurusha buddhi yoga नाराधनाय हि भवन्ति परस्य पुंसो भक्त्या तुतोष भगवान् गजयूथपाया. Here our Shastra says wealth, high birth, beauty, austerity, scriptural study, vigor, impressiveness, prowess, strength of the body, skill in action, intelligence, and practice of concentration. These 12 qualities are not at all adequate to please the Supreme Lord without pure devotion. Our Shastra tells us about the limitations of these 12 qualities. First one is wealth. For our worldly life, sarvam vittamayam, everything is wealth only. So for our worldly life, wealth is everything. But for our spiritual life, wealth is nothing. Second one is high birth. The Supreme Lord dwells equally in all of us as our core, as our Atma, which is also our true nature. Therefore, here no question of high and low. In reality, in front of the Supreme Lord, all are equal, all are same. Third one is beauty. This beauty is impermanent. Similarly, another 9 qualities are also have its own limitations. These 12 qualities are like 10 sense organs, mind and intellect. Totally 12, 10 sense organs, mind and intellect. Whereas this pure devotion is like a vital force. In our body, when there is no prana, then there is no sense organs, no mind, no intellect. Therefore, without this pure devotion, these 12 qualities becomes utter waste. Hence, we can categorically say that pure devotion is the fundamental and most essential qualification to please the Supreme Lord. This is the Hitopadesha for the day. Sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.